and today I'm gonna show you what if you try on a ring and it's gonna get stuck in your finger. How do you get it out? As you can see, my finger pretty stuck over here, doesn't come off. You see how it's pretty thick over here, and it doesn't come off because of this part, skin, getting stuck over here. So how can we take it off without cutting it? All we need is elastic band like that, and you can grab it from the mask or stuff like that. You know, a lot of places have those ones, especially in the emergency room and stuff. What you're gonna do is hold it like that. If you don't have assistance, you can do it yourself, and just kind of make it tight, and little by little go up to the ring. So little by little, you see how skin getting pushed down, and then after you wrapped up the finger, what you want to do is grab the scissors and push through the under the ring, and just like pull it up. And what's gonna happen once we're gonna unbend it? You see how skin stuck here, but the ring is like like you see twitches and going down, and the rubber band holding the skin all together and tight, so you can take off the ring really easily.